And this right here is FlashForge solution to the multicolor, which I think is very interesting as a configuration of a product, because it's almost as if they have positioned the bamboo AMS light on the actual structure of the printer, making it a very slim, and yet you can still have the same benefit as you would on the other AMS lights that we've seen before. So it's a very interesting configuration, I think. And it's also very compact. If you think about a rack that you need to put multiple printers if you have a little farm, this is a great configurator, to be honest. I have here with me Sheldon, and Sheldon is going to explain to us a little bit what are the cool features about this printer, okay? So talk us a little bit about the multicolor system here.
Okay, compared to AD5M, you can see that AD5X got a thing over here. We call it IFS, which is short for Intelligent Filament System. And we put the side spool over here, so it allows this machine to print full color and very time space saving.
That's awesome. So it saves a lot of space. That's what we're seeing here. They created this little rack shelf here, and they have 6 printers on a very compact environment. Let's say you have a spare room in your house. This would be enough for you to have a farm of 6 multicolor printers. If you compare to other solutions that we have out there, you either need a lot more height between the shelves or a lot more depth in the shelf as well. In here you have everything on a very compact solution, okay? One thing that I was curious about when I'm looking here, are you able to put the multicolor system on both sides?
No, we didn't design that.
Okay, so really the rack is only on the right hand side. And one good thing as well is that it's very easy for you to manage the filament, right? To insert new filaments and change.
Take it out.
Yeah, so it's very simple to wind in and put it out. Very interesting as well. And different from what we see in a few other printers, you have a system here that is closer to the one that we have at the A1 series, where all the 4 colors go all the way into the extruder. And this extruder, is it the same from the other printers?
No, it's different from AD5M. Maybe I can show you here.
So it's really easy to assemble and change the nozzle.
It's swap.
Wow, this is very good. So it's very easy to change the nozzle and access everything. You can do it with one hand. You can see we're doing it live here, and it's working really well. That's awesome. So you don't need any tools pretty much to access the nozzle.
It's tool free. Yeah, it's tool free.
As you can see, it's very easy to put to disassemble and assemble everything. So thank you very much, Sheldon. We're very excited to see this printer. Do you have a price range for it in the US?
In the US, it's around $399 right now.
$399. So as you can see, it's a very competitive price as well. So thank you very much for watching. We're going to keep on running here at TCT Asia to show you all the cool things that we're seeing here that will soon be available for us to purchase as well. All right, see you in the next one.